What is going on, my YouTube family? On this Thursday, welcome to the channel. If you're new family member to the Money Squad, if you continue member from the Money Squad, thank you for visiting the channel. I always coming back showing love. The Reebok video doing good. The sis video doing good with her dunks. Shout out to Flyman for bringing it to my attention. I checked my Reebok air unit and it doesn't work. So Reebok, I will be giving you a call later on today. And the Hexalite is fake, but we ain't gonna rant about that. That's neither here nor there. And as y'all already know, in the YouTube world, if you're not first, you are last. So I'm gonna do this video real quick because there's a lot of hype, still a lot of festivity, a lot of disappointment, but still not as bad as the trophy room ones. And yes, it's another one. So I'm warming up to Jordan ones. This probably be my last one, I'm pretty sure, for the year. Everything else will probably be trade bait or flip. Maybe one more. But like I said, these are pretty dope, pretty buttery. But my question to you would be, if you had to pick between the two, would you pick these or would you pick the Obsidian one? Shout out, won a raffle, delayed W at Waikiki Shoe Pattern. As you can see, size 10 PP personal pair. I went true to size, not true to size, but true to size, right? So we have, as you can see, official colorway, white, black, university blue, retro Air Jordan 1. You got your black Jordan box and all of that good stuff. The suggested retail price, $170 them things. Up here you got your stamper ramp, your swoosh, you got your green sticker for the mold, because these are suede, so you always want to make sure you have that in the shoe. And look at that, very nice. I must say these are dope, very clean. I always like to do the left shoe. You gotta take it out like so. Gotta be all careful, because these are dope in my opinion. Now if you think they are worth resale, I ain't sure about that. I don't know about paying no $300 or $400 for that. But if you can get it for retail, maybe $250, I would say go for it, because these are pretty nice. And like I said, my opinion, don't want to hold y'all too long, because like I said, you done seen one, you done seen them all. So just real quick, underneath you got that blue, university blue, UNC blue, whatever you want to call it. Gonna get dirty, so make sure you clean it after your wear. Got this buttery suede here, very nice. You got that tumble rumble, all wrinkle stankle, perforated holes. Jordan 1s always only have the first eyelets lace, the rest of it is always unlaced. Then you got your nylon, Nike Air up here with your R's between both of them. You got your shoe tree, should have your size 10, 10 and a half. Inside you can see you got your UNC blue. Coming around on the panel, you can see you got your stitching is on point. You got more of that wrinkle stankle with your black swoosh, your embossed Air Jordan, your rolled up laces, look like a fruit roller, right? You got some wrinkle stankle around the ankle part of it with the black hit, so you don't have to worry about no sock bunnies. The stitching is on point in the back of the shoe, and pretty much you got black, more wrinkle stankle here. So a very well executed shoe. I don't see many glue stains. So that's just like I said, of the shoes, pretty much blue, black, and white. On a little meter, I give this about a 4.85 out of 5. 4.85 out of 5. Don't ask me why I don't give it just a 5, but yeah, that's just what I'm feeling today. 4.85 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Are you still trying to get these? Maybe you want to trade to get something to get these, or you on to the next and just waiting for the Hyper Royal, which will be another hard shoe to get. In my opinion, they will be harder to get than these. But answer the question in the comments below. Do you think these are better than the Obsidian? Do you prefer suede or do you prefer leather? And I'll be looking for the comments and we'll get back to you. Peace, love, thumbs up. I'm out. Deuces.